guys! I'm back again, your minimalist mom. At sa day na ito, so as promised, di ba? So ako kaya ilalagay ito, di ba? Hindi na dun sa ref namin kasi maganda na siya, tapos na siya. And by the way, I'm wearing my favorite sweater today. Ayan, malay mo, magkaka-merch kami. Bili-bili kayo, ha? So, we're just analyzing na magkaka-merch, okay? Anyway, maganda kasi ito kasi during taglamig, ayan, ang gandang isuot, very comfy. Kaya lagi ko siyang suot minsan. Lagi minsan. Anyway, going back to what we are going to do today, eto, cluttered na naman ang aming cabinet. So, you know, during the holidays, ayan, as I said, busy-busy tayo, mga mommies, di ba? So, lahat itambak na lang natin kung saan-saan yung mga things na kailangan nating medyo itabi muna, di ba? So, ito ang nangyayari sa aming cabinet. Actually, we have this cabinet for yung mga ilalagay lang sana ay mga plato, yung mga gagamitin natin, cups, glass, but yeah, medyo siguro rattled ang ating pag-iisip during the holidays kasi marami tayong iniisip, di ba? So, we tend to, ilagay na lang natin kung saan-saan ang ating mga things, di ba? So, ito, ayan, halo-halo na, especially at wala po tayong kasama sa bahay, wala po nag-organize, wala naglilinis. So, as a mom, if we have little time, we give, you know, a space for cleaning, for organizing, because, as we always say, organized and clean house would be a happy house. Ayan ang lagi niyong tandaan. So, maski stress kayo, pero pag nakita niyo yung house, wow, ang linis, ang ganda, organized, it would be really relaxing when you go home. Ayan. So, simulan na natin. Buksan natin, di ko ikakahiya kung ano yung nasa loob. Ayan. Maliban sa ref namin, syempre. So, this time, eto, maraming stuff yung anak ko kasi nagbe-baking siya. Ayan. So, sometimes, when she thinks of, you know, making cookies, pastries, pies, cake, ganyan. Simple lang naman, hindi naman pang, maybe in the future pang business, malay nyo, di ba? Support lang sa mga kiddos natin. Ayan. So this time, ang dami. Ito, tingnan nyo to, wala nang laman, di ba? So, minsan, ang nangyayari, itabi natin to kasi baka may magamit, may paglagyan. Pero actually, wala eh. Hindi siya nagagamit for anything. So, better dispose it na lang. Kasi, it would attract mold sometimes. Especially dito sa ating area, sa ating location. It's really cold, yeah? So, mga molds, minsan, madaling nakikita natin sa ating bahay. So, we could actually try to dispose na lang ito.
A few moments later.
Anyway, before putting things inside, okay, ito, mga ano namin to, nakuha rin namin nung Christmas time. Ayan, nilagay ko po siya dito. Ano yan, pancit, spaghetti, macaroni, alright? So, hindi pa siya expired, bagong-bago. We could keep it and we could try to cook it in the future. Okay? So, there you go. Anyway, as I said, dito ko ilalagay ang... Alright, ito pala. Pwede nating ibalik dito. Or, okay, let's just organize things. Ayan. So, etong mga to, ayan, pagka gustong kumain ng mga bata, gusto mong kumain, we could actually get it from here. Ayan, pagkasyakin natin. Ayan. So, Etong mga to, syempre, kailangan din in baking, kailangan din sa mga, siguro sa kusina, ayan, we could actually put it here nicely and very organized. Ayan, very organized pero in the future, yung mga kasama sa bahay, unorganized na naman. No, just joking. Yeah, teach them how to organize things. Ayan. So, kailangan natin ilagay ang mga ito dito sa loob. Very nicely. Ito for storage, di ba? Yan, kailangan din sa baking yan. So, there you have it. Huwag nating, itong mga to for storage din, for baking. Ayan, pagsamahin na natin lahat dyan. Yan, there you go. But this one, these are medicines. Lagay natin dyan kasi nakita ko mga medicines dyan. Medicine ni Father. Yon. So, itabi natin yan. So, we're done with this. But, make sure na pinunasan din natin itong part ng cabinet natin. Okay? Another thing here. Ayan. Ang daming mga gamot-gamot. Gamot, vitamins, halo-halo na to. Oh, okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, so there you go. Let's place this. Actually, etong mga plato, nilalagay ko talaga siya dito kasi very accessible siya. Lalo na kung kailangan natin kumain. Ayan. So, of course, kailangan pulitin lang dyan ang ating mga plato. And platito. Ang platito namin ay sa loob dapat. Yan. Organize natin lahat yan. Tiyagain natin mga mami. Yan. And of course, balik natin itong mga to kasi ito, actually it's good for putting some stuff, putting some food storage. So, may use pa rin natin ito. Isang tabi natin ito dito. There you go. And of course, punasan lang natin itong mga to kasi pang naalikabukan siya. Ayan. Hindi tayo naglinis for the holidays. So this time, we're taking time to, of course, clean the things around our house. There you go. So there you are. Organized na yan. And by the way, this one, this is used for putting some pots, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga tables. Ayan. So, we could actually place it para naman accessible siya. Pwede natin magamit. Okay? Next, let's try to open this. Okay? This one actually for yung mga glasses. Ayan, umako konti. Pasensya na. Ganito talaga ako maglinis, guys. Okay? Medyo naka-makeup. Char. Ayan, hindi. Medyo, ano lang, nawawakois na tayo. Ayan. So, alisin natin itong mga to muna. There you go. Let's try to check. Ano yung mga nasa loob?
Sometimes when I'm alone and daydreaming to myself.
And there you go. And this one. O, diba? Mas maluwang siyang tignan. For now. Ha! Tcha-chang! Ayan. Mas maayos na siyang tignan. So, mas makikita mo kung ano yung kailangan mong glass, cups, and the bowls. And of course, for our plates. Yun. Maliliit lang yung plates namin. Kasi konti lang kaming, maliliit lang kaming tao. Char! Okay? Here, you go. Ito naman, for, lagay natin itong medicine here. There you go. Kung ano mga medicine to. Okay, mommies, for the medicine, I want you to double check yung mga expiration date na. So, kung yung pa-expired na, you throw it na lang to be safe. Okay? Okay, so let's try to put the things that are important here. Ayan, yung usually nagagamit. This one, I could place it on my breakfast nook. Ano ito? Tea. Yun, salin natin yan. And this one, of course, medicine, vitamins. O ito, lalagay ulit natin sa medicine cabinet. Ayan. Let's just organize things. Okay? And ito, laging hinahanap ko ng father ko. So, just a little friendly reminder, especially may mga kasama kayong senior sa bahay, better place yung mga things na ginagamit nila everyday dito on top of the cabinet para makita nila kung saan nila kukunin. Okay? And naandito na rin pala yung aming mga spoons. Yan, diyan ko siya nilagay. Kasi habang walang party, spoon ang karga niya. Alright? So, there you go. Ayan. Siguro hindi na maghahanap-hanap yung father ko dyan. Nasaan? Okay? Everything is organized. Everything is clear. Alright? It's not only for the senior, actually. It's also for all the moms. Oh! I forgot, of course, itong kitchen namin. Lagay din natin. Kasi lagi ito, pinagpupunasan din natin ng hands, ganyan. So, let's place it here. Kasi pag wala ng punas na nalabhan, we could actually try to, yan, to make this of this punas place. There you go! Everything is organized now. I hope everybody is happy inside the house. Thank you for being with me, for organizing my cabinet, and I hope I'm going to see you again. Bye for now!